Hello everybody and good morning. Welcome back to our second day of our critical vocabulary for this week. So let us go ahead and get started and review the words that we looked up yesterday. We had surge, perished, and debris. Now our first word of today is adoringly. Now sit back and think of adoringly. What might this mean? Adoringly. If you act adoringly, you act with a lot of love and admiration. An example used in this sentence is, my mother makes me feel special when she looks at me adoringly, meaning the mother looks at her with love and affection and admiration. So, our next word of the day is capable. Now, based off the photo, can y'all think what capable might mean? Capable. If a person is capable, he or she has that skill or ability to do something. An example used in a sentence is, my little sister is capable of putting on her own shoes, meaning that she can do it all by herself and she doesn't need any help. Our next word is spectators. Now, what might spectators mean? Spectators are people who watch an event such as a sport competition. An example used in a sentence is, the spectators at the baseball game watched intently. So, any baseball game, football game, soccer tournament, any kind of game like that, you are a spectator watching as they play the game. And our last word of today and for the week is disbelief. Now, stop for a minute and think what disbelief might mean. Disbelief is not believing that something is true. An example used in a sentence is, the family was in disbelief when they heard the news, meaning they didn't think it was true. So these have been our critical vocabulary words of the week. Please come back and look at these so that you can study and get better well known with these words for our vocabulary quiz that we will be having on Friday. Have a good rest of your day and a good rest of your week. Bye!